And welcome to our meteorology segment, folks. We hope all of you mid-Atlantic states types are digging out well. The low has moved well off into the Atlantic Ocean here, south of Newfoundland. Also some strong winds here on the southern portion of Greenland. It's another bad day for Viking invasions, yes. Bad times for Viking invasions. Heavy winds north of Scotland as well. Although there is a path. There is a path from Iceland to Ireland, so if you're going to be invading Ireland from Iceland, I would recommend this route. The seas are pretty calm, especially if you're on a speedboat. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. We've got a double jet stream over the eastern portion of North America. And a doubled up jet stream over the North Atlantic as well. Here are the jets of the east. A powerful anticyclone here in the northern Bering Sea. See that clockwise rotation there? That's a upper level anticyclone, folks. Not unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Okay, it's a little bit unlike it because it doesn't feature 800 mile per hour winds, but that is a high pressure zone, likely featuring clear skies. There are the surface winds of the east side. How about some forecasts? Here's your lower 48. Rain and frozen precip and pressure forecast based on the GFS model for the next 72 hours. And additional snow expected to fall here over the Rockies and come into Pennsylvania. We're going to get a couple inches, according to the GFS model. And a 72-hour forecast is not outside the realm of likelihood. So here's your snow depth positive change, again based on the GFS model over the next 72 hours. And showing a couple inches likely here in Lehigh Valley. Quite heavy snows here once again in Washington, and especially northern Colorado and western Wyoming. So here's your snow depth forecast based on the European model. This is just raw snow depth, folks, so it's showing existing snow. We'll move this ahead 72 hours or so into Friday. So quite a bit of snow here. We'll be moving past the halfway point of half of the country covered with snow. One weird spot being left out is right here. Parts of South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska seeing like no snow. Also this area to the southwest of Lake Erie expected to be snow-free based on the European model. By Friday, that's 7 a.m. Friday Eastern Standard Time. That's 8 a.m. Friday Eastern Standard Time. It looks like some additional snow expected to fall here around those times. We won't worry about it at the moment. Check out the weather.gov map. All kinds of hard freeze warnings as well as winter weather warnings. Winter storm warnings there, all those pink areas. If your county's lit up, just click it. Wait a minute, this is yesterday's. There's today's. And now we've got some flood warnings around places like Delaware and New Jersey, it looks like. Again, if your county's lit up, just head to weather.gov. Quite a lot of winter weather advisories there in the northern portion of the country as well. Weather.gov is where we got that map. Here's your lightning map. No terrestrial lightning in the U.S. at the moment. Here's a real-time lightning map. This video was originally streamed live. Give it a moment to load. Here at the smAsh News Network, least busted name in news, we say load. Lightning situation pretty calm here on planet Earth. Not a lot of lightning at the moment, it looks like. Thanks to our Twitch followers, twitch.tv/smAsho. is where this was originally streamed live to. We also regularly do live streams to YouTube, so if you're a Twitch viewer, make sure you view the Smash News Network Least Busted Name and News over on YouTube as well, because most of our content is located there. We are also on BitChute, thanks to our BitChute subscribers. We've been branching into more and more alt tech. And we are alt tech, by the way. Make sure to follow us on Twitter if you don't. You'll see exclusive content there. Oh, we're almost at 200 followers. Yowzers. Oh my God. We could retire at age 60,000 at this rate, folks. Also, we are on Getter. So, gettr.com. You can find us there at smAsho. We've got a whopping 2 followers and following 13 accounts over there. It's been blowing up, unlike YouTube, which has been stagnating for years. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers regardless. And don't forget to check our playlists there. There's a plethora of varied content in the playlists, weekly live streams, and so on. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. To Alphabet, Google, and YouTube, we insist that you fix your quote software, end quote. We fixed ours, and we created a subscription service vastly superior to Patreon, so if you want to see these videos continue to exist and be publicly visible, become a member of the Smash team at the gold or silver level. Perhaps even join the email list. There are bronze level benefits as well. And we even made some posts, many posts throughout the holidays, visible to everybody without even logging in at smashomash.com/smashteam. So if you want to see what it's about, head to the website. You can find links at the homepage, smashomash.com, as well as links to the merch and below this video. Next, the Pacific Ocean water vapor scenario. Here's the water vapor map over the world's largest body of water. Yes, the world's largest body of water. This is the atmospheric moisturegram of what's going on above it. By the way, we're thinking of doing a video with Eugene, Mr. Bagashov. Shout out to Eugene. Eugene the Philosopher. Make sure you subscribe to his channel. Looking to do a video about corporatism. What do you think about that, folks? Also, we do have some other ideas about some paranormal stuff that we may have to cover. First, the U.S. Doppler radar map. And we got to blast through this data. Here's the current situation at radar.weather.gov. Some precipitation continues to fall in the northwestern portion of the country, mostly mopped up. In the east, a little bit of lake effect snow there coming off of Erie and Ontario, it looks like. Here is the shortwave radiation map, and look at the low clouds. Low clouds. Massive bank of low clouds. Thousands of miles wide. Low clouds associated with cosmic ray flux. Next, the water vapor map. And you can see additional moisture here making its way across the U.S. And that's going to lead to the snow that we showed earlier in the video. Here's your recap, the U.S. Doppler radar for the lower 48. Shortwave radiation, which shows clouds and fog at nighttime when it's too dark to see them with the visible satellite. And here is the water vapor. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing that the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network Least Busted Name in News.